Welcome back to Trinidad and Tobago. Make your move. Pathway to Health Institute, a 10-day diabetic treatment program. And off air, they were having some interesting conversation with me about the fact that I need to lose 10 pounds. And this way will ensure me that I get it done. Joining us on set, Candy Knights, and Ray Gibson. Ray also is an organic farmer, and he didn't bring a birthday basket for me. Good morning. How are you both?
We agree.
Fine, thanks.
So we're talking again about the Make Your Move, the 6th to the 16th of June. Candy, what exactly is it?
Well, this is a 10-day treatment program for diabetics. And actually, it's not just for diabetics. It's for individuals that have lifestyle diseases. We are having this program so individuals can come and we can educate them, actually. Inform them of what really caused these lifestyle diseases to come upon them, and actually walk them through a process in which they can come off all their medications. And usually it takes approximately 10 to 15 days for individuals with diabetes to come off their medications.
So obviously this is something people are going to look and think, I've been on a medication my entire life.
Yeah.
How are you going to do that in 10 days?
How are you going to do it? With the lifestyle changes. Because what we have discovered from research is that when you change your diet, according to Dr. Benny Balkaran,
yes,
he hit the nail on the head. You see, most lifestyle diseases actually occur because of poor eating habits. And when we have these individuals at this facility, we actually would teach them the way that they should eat, how to prepare the food in a wholesome way, teach them the exercises. We have exercises, we have materials, we will be doing presentations, we have herbal treatments. And the guy that just went before us, he actually then dealt with herbs.
It seems as though everything kind of flow into each other.
Oh, yes. And we have herbs that actually work so well with diabetes: chromium, licorice root, and we have this vegetable that is excellent too. It's called Karaili.
Everyone says that. I hate Karaili.
It's great. It's great. It works great for diabetes. And another thing is string beans. It's excellent. So we understand the concept of what causes diabetes. And then now what we're going to do is actually put individuals on the pathway in which they can actually recover from their situation and come off all their medications.
Now, Ray, you're a believer in this way of life.
Definitely.
Why are you a believer?
Personally, I myself was ill, very ill, chemical poisoning. And I use natural foods, water. In fact, there are 8 essential nutrients to good health. And water, for instance, cleanses the body. The foods we eat. For instance, let's look at diabetes. It's just recently diabetes came on the scene. People 40, 50 years ago didn't know about diabetes. So it's a lifestyle disease. It is thought that diabetes is hereditary. It's not true. If I give you an example, if your grandfather crossed the street at busy times, didn't look right or left, and he got killed, which he would you say that's hereditary? No, it's not. He's foolish. So we that looking on learn from his mistakes, realizing that he should have looked left or right before he crossed the street. Same in eating. We eat everything that is available. It's so easy.
Is there anything we should not eat?
Yes.
What should we not eat? Let me see what I should not eat this morning.
Refined foods.
But that's almost everything. Ray, you're going to take away all my food.
Ah, my dear. My dear, humanity from way back when, every civilization ate natural. They had a garden. There was everything in the forest. Even the animals today who don't have diabetes, what do they eat? Mangoes, bananas, nuts, certain leaves. Right there, we have a teacher in nature that teaches us that the body will heal itself.
The body will heal itself. Now, Candy, participants are eligible. What happens during the 10-day period?
All right. What happens during the 10-day period? They would be with us at this facility, and they would be getting their meals. Appetizing, healthy, wholesome meals will be prepared for them. And we would be showing these participants how to prepare these meals. So when they actually leave that facility, they would be able to teach other individuals themselves. So we'll be feeding them and teaching them how to prepare their meals. They'll be getting herbal treatments, blood sugar and pressure testing, personal consultations with our medical missionaries, massages and facials, weight testing, meal preparation classes. We'll be getting literatures, manuals, and spiritual encouragement.
Now, spiritual encouragement is an interesting element into this. How important is getting that balance, spirituality, eating right,
Of
and
course.
getting that whole balance in check?
You see, because we believe that with our treatments, the herbal treatments, the foods that we eat, the environment, the air, the 8 laws of health, they would be of no value unless we trust in God. Because without God, nothing would be possible. So trusting in God is a basic element which is very, very, very important in our treatment.
Now, it's funny. I read a story the other day about a woman that's, I think, 70 and looks at probably like 40. And she attributes her good looks and her health to eating natural.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
Oh,
That's
yes.
the right
Oh,
way.
yeah.
If you had to give quick tips this morning, something that we can do, quick changes to our life, what would you tell them?
Quick changes. Okay, well, one, Ray suggested it. One is not eating refined foods because it actually has no nutritional value. No refined foods. And we also suggest we need to be careful with the amount of animal products that we consume because I think we know that the animal products now, they are high in chemical. A lot of estrogen is injected, and we have the results from the kids in school. Young ladies, menstruating.
Yeah, a lot earlier.
We have young ladies having breasts before time, and even young men. So we realize that these animal products, they're not that good for us. And like in some diseases like cancer and stuff, we consume cheese and other poultry items, but cancer is a fungus. And cheese is fungus. And we realize that when we eat too much cheese, we consume too much sugars, it actually feeds the cancer. So for every disease, for every situation, the way we eat actually contributes to our health. And the reason for that is because what you eat actually makes your blood. And the blood that you have is what actually makes your cells. And the cells is what determine the health of your body.
Candy just basically took up my entire diet. Contact information. You saw my facial reaction. Like, what am I going to eat? Contact information.
Right. Our contact information, our numbers are 392-8509 or 492-0158.
And you can check them out. So it's 392-8509 and 492-0198 and pathwaytohealthinstitute@gmail.com. We've come to the end of this edition of the Early Morning Show. On behalf of everyone attached to the EMS, I wish you a safe and blessed day. And I will see you tomorrow morning. Anyone want to say something?
Yes.
Quickly.
My advice, we say an apple a week, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
True. Eat healthy. You are really what you eat. Stay with us.